Hey, Tom here with Dalinghaus Construction. Are you wondering if tree roots are causing foundation problems? We're going to be discussing tree roots. Tree roots can cause several things to foundation issues. The biggest thing is they're going to be traveling underneath and lifting up the structures. So they can cause upheaval, they can also cause cracking. Tree roots can actually do a few things. One of the things they can do is they can actually suck moisture out of the soil, and if you're on expansive soil, it can actually cause shrinkage of the soil. And then once you have the soil shrinkage and you have a structure on top of it, the structure is not also shrink as well or settle. So when you have tree root intrusion, obviously the best way is to get rid of the tree and the roots themselves. If you don't have that choice or you really like to look up trees, you can dig up across or along the foundation. You can remove the tree roots. You can actually put a root barrier down. There's different depths of root barrier and different types of root barriers, but the only two options you really have is applying root barriers or actually removing the roots and the tree. So I was actually speaking with an arborist last night in regards to a project, and he educated me that tree roots don't want to travel underneath the foundation or a footing unless it has some type of nutrients, which would be water. So therefore, the only thing that would be under there would be plumbing leak, either the waistline or the supply line. He said that's the only reason that they would want to go under there is for nutrients. Otherwise, they would want to divert themselves away from a footing or a foundation and go where the water is, where the nutrients is. But having planters next to a foundation is not the best idea. The best way, it's not the prettiest thing, but it's actually to have concrete and drains up against your home to divert all the water away from your home, because then you won't get moisture differences in moisture content where you get expansion and contraction, because the water is being diverted away from your home and into a drain, diverted away from the house and into the street. And you have to understand that we've been in a drought for so long, and then now they have this aquifer river above us is what they're saying and forecasting. So you're having completely dried out soil for years, and then you have an obscene amount of moisture, and it's reacting very fast. So you're getting a lot of movement in a very short period of time due to moisture content, right? I typically tell people when I'm talking to them, I said, water intrusion is 95% of our business. If it's not poor drainage, plumbing leaks, water diversion, I mean, that water is what keeps us in business, unfortunately. But water needs to be diverted away from your structure. You introduce water to soil, you have a heavy structure next to it, it's going to move with the soil. Once again, this is Tom with Dalinghaus Construction. Thanks for tuning in to our topic of the day. If you're experiencing any issues with roots or have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us.